Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. What you're looking at is the airbag that's got to go in that 2007 Dodge Nitro. It came from Bruce Brenner from Ohio. So, thank you, and we're going to get this in. One last thing I have to worry about. I'm getting ready to put this on a dolly so I can get it down to the dealer. Get this security system replaced. I'm curious about right now is I have an airbag light. That's because the airbag is missing. Just received the airbag a few minutes ago, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in, and hopefully Mr. Airbag will disappear. Okay, so get this out of here. It's found somebody that was parting a Nitro. All right, we are. Beautiful. You could get this out of a Liberty, but you're gonna have Jeep here. All right, so that's said. I want to be careful. Think about that. You want to wrap. Turn everything off. We are dealing with an explosive device. You don't want to be in the way of this thing if it decides to go. Okay, we are. Okay, all power on. Passing as well. Hopefully we'll have horn here in a minute. You know, take the ram and stick it back in that. She popped out. Silicone back to it. Silicone sealant, put on the back, keep it there. So there we go. We now have an airbag installed. Let's put some power on it. See if it keeps that. Turns the airbag light out. Let's see if I have horn. Okay, we're ready. Hopefully, I'm not sitting in the seat. Okay. I don't know if that's all part of the security system or not. Or that's part of the tipping. I got a horn relay. fights. We're going to cure the airbag. Airbag issue. The airbag. And I don't have a horn. Oh, no. Check those out. Other system. Alright, so that's where we are. We've installed the airbag. But it still hasn't gone out. So I don't know exactly where we're at. Oh, that's part of the ARS system. Maybe I'll stick the thing on it and my checker and see if that'll reset that. Alright, we're almost at that point. It's now or never. So we're pulling it from here back over to there, and we're gonna see where we are. I gotta drag it out, I gotta get it aligned, and then I gotta pull it back down the road here until I can get it lined up on the dolly. Pull it up on the dolly, and hopefully we can get out of here, because that road there is, that driveway is pretty icy. Alright, let's get this done. Where we're at. Watching that. Oh man, that's freaking work. All right, now we're gonna go the other direction. We're gonna get down. Heading towards the. Now we gotta get it lined up. Phew. A lot of work. I'm just trying to get on here. All right. One more. Yeah. Oh, come on. Shoot. Not enough. Oh, nuts. Come on, you come on. Nope, not enough. Not enough pressure. I don't think I got enough. Yep, no. Alright, you gotta go. Use, come on. Woo! Man. Kick my butt. Need a battery on more. All right. Oh, fuck. Damn it. Alright, we're almost there. I'm just hooking stuff up. I gotta get the harnesses to go around the wheel now. Alright, we're all set. She's all strapped up, all chained down, everything pinned down. and we're ready to rock and roll. Hopefully I can get out of the driveway. That's gonna be the, that will be the challenge. All right, we're on our way. So of course I gotta stop and get gas. All right. Oh, let's get gas.